GEICO versus Liberty Mutual. Only one of these is actually saving you money. And before we dive in, go ahead and click the link in the description below. There's a special discount offer down there, and trust me, you're going to want it by the time this video is over. All right, two of the biggest insurance names in America. You've seen their ads 1,000 times. The gecko, the EMU, the catchy slogans. But here's what those ads never actually tell you. They are very different companies, and the right one for you depends entirely on what you need. Let's start with GEICO. GEICO is basically the fast food of auto insurance, and that is not an insult. It's fast, it's affordable, and it gets the job done. Their whole model is built around cutting out the middleman. No agent, no extra layers. You get a quote online in minutes, manage everything through the app, and their rates are consistently among the lowest in the country. They're owned by Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, so they're rock solid. And they cover way more than just cars. Motorcycles, RVs, boats, renter's insurance, even pets. If you want simple, quick, and budget-friendly auto coverage, GEICO is genuinely hard to beat. Now let's talk Liberty Mutual. Their whole pitch is only pay for what you need, and honestly, that's a pretty smart promise. Liberty Mutual gives you more flexibility to customize your policy. You pick what goes in, you leave out what doesn't apply to you. They also work with real agents, which is great if you'd rather talk to an actual human being. And if you're looking to bundle your home and auto insurance together, Liberty Mutual is a strong contender. They're one of the largest global insurers out there, so they've got the range to handle more complex situations. Plus, strong digital tools if you want to track habits and manage everything on your phone. So, who actually wins? For straight-up price on auto insurance, GEICO usually comes out ahead. For flexibility, bundling, and personalized coverage, Liberty Mutual has the edge. But here's the real talk. The best deal isn't in a TV commercial. It's in the link below. Click the link in the description right now, grab your personalized discount, and find out exactly how much you could be saving today.